Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to change a cabin air filter on a 2018 Honda Civic. This is going to be the LX model. First thing you're going to do is open up the glove box. I'm going to take everything out. Show the contents here. Next step is you're going to go ahead and press in on the sides here. So just like I am with this side, you're going to do the same with this side. So you're going to press those two in. It's easier if you got both hands. Alright. There we go. So you got to use two hands. I tried doing it with just one, but it didn't work. You press in on that side, press in on this side. You get these to move out of the way, and then it pops off on there. Alright, so this next step is also going to require two hands. You're going to have two tabs. One is going to be here, one on the other side here. I'm going to try to do it with one hand. Alright, I need two. Alright, so you're going to need two hands. You press on that tab there, and that tab there, right here. And then you just pull it out. And right in here, you're going to find your cabin air filter. Alright, so before reinstalling everything, even though you have part numbers and they may be correct, you always want to double check the fitment. Make sure they're the right size. You know, you didn't buy something that's completely weird. So this one is a little bit different on the filter. It's a lot bigger. Looks like it might provide a little better airflow, but I mean, these are all pretty much standard. You're not really getting anything better out of this except better air inside the cabin. If you notice here, it does say the airflow and the direction. You want to make sure that you match that with the arrow that's on the filter itself. So you got charcoal side, you got white side. So this is going to be facing down like that. And you're just going to go ahead and re-slide that in. Alright, we all make mistakes. So I'm over here wondering why it won't go in. And that's because you'll notice on the filter here, you'll have the thicker side. And then you got the thinner filter side and then the thicker side. So these are going to be on the outside. And then it's going to fit right. Alright, now we just go ahead and put the cover back on. This is definitely a two-hand job. It's kind of hard to do it with just one hand, but it just pops right back into place. Get the cover back on. What you're going to do is lift your glove box back up, and then that's it. Go ahead and put the customer's stuff back in, or all your stuff back in, and you're all done. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope it helps.